the proposed IIT site. Right now, the IIT site खातीर जी land 7 lakh दिल्ली तातूंतली around 4 lakh unusable मेळटा. So IIT has reverted back to government saying that the land which is the proposed land does not have sufficient usable land. So for that purpose, IIT cannot come on that if you don't provide additional land. So we are trying to get the land which is plain flat land, and the owners have come forward to give that land, and the government may acquire it. So we have put a proposal with the government. The government will take necessary appropriate decision.
But how long it will take? Because तुमका सेंटराक भी त्यांका सांगूंक जाय न्हू बाबा
Yeah, it will be done immediately.
So government is also in favor
Yeah,
of taking that land because तुम्ही म्हटलेलं पळय तसं.
So IIT at any case will not go from SANGUEM. And yeah.
So last time you had done the survey regarding the restore of the churches and temples. What happened for that?
No. So far, we are just identifying the advertisement were placed in the local newspapers asking for the suggestions. And if आमी केन्ना जे ओल्ड टेम्पल्स आसा डिमॉलिश केल्ली रिलिजियस स्ट्रक्चर्स आसतले जे पोर्तुगीजाच्या राजवटी भितर जे डिमॉलिश केल्ले ते आमी इनवायट केल्ले. वी वील गो थ्रू द स्क्रुटिनी इज ऑन, देन वी वील फायंड आउट वॉट इज द ट्रूथ इन दॅट. सो वॉट एवर गिवन फंड्स आमकां जाय जाल्यार प्रायोरिटी बेसीस वी वील आयडेंटिफाय एंड द कमिटी वील टेक डिसिजन.
Any application right now?
Yeah, applications have come lots.
कितली सुमारे येयल्या?
No, I just see application. Everybody has applied saying that this temple is old. So we want a proof that the Portuguese during their tenure, their rule, it was demolished by them. So temples will be many. जे गोंयभर temples आसात पूण ती मोडली जाल्यार सरकारान म्हणलेले डिमॉलिश्ड बाय दी पोर्तुगीज जाल्यार ते टेम्पल जाते. तसो एविडंट वी विल फायंड आउट.
बजेटूय आसता, बजेटांनी बसपाक जाय
budget.
आसता बसतले.
But any application that came right now ki such
No,
temples
there are
have
many
been-
applications. I have not gone through. The scrutiny committee will come and they will find out whether whatever relevant documents that are placed in their applications, then we will take it seriously. We need a proof wherein evidence wherein Portuguese rulers have had demolished that time.
फाटी तुम्ही एक म्हटलेलं की पोर्चुगीजा कडेन जर डॉक्युमेंट्स आसा ते गरज पडली जाल्यार हाडूंक शकता जाल्यार कितें प्रोसेस
आम्ही पळयता कळ्ळें न्ही.
पूण प्रोसेस
The process is on and we are trying to get it. It is not
इजी.
we may have good ते एक फावटी सांगलें की पुर्तुगीज डॉक्युमेंट्स आमचे ह्या रिलेटेड टू आसा तेंचे. So before that we have to prepare ourselves, the historians, the researchers, all those who are experts in this field. We will take आमी थंय गेले आनी खंय सोदतले आनी कितें हाडटले. वी हॅव टू फ्रेम our this thing requirements and then send to them. It is not just government of Goa will talk to Portugal. The government of India has to talk to their this thing and make a solid platform to get all those documents.
Thank you, sir.